For an idea to be successful, either it should solve a big problem or it should fulfill a basic need. With getting offline, we fulfill the basic need of a person to connect with other like minded people. We organize hangouts in various hotspots of the city where people can meet, share, and even make new friends. Coming to our market, as we all know that Indian market is very hot on social networking with 44% of Indians now have access to internet. Social network users in India now 76 million is depicted to be doubled by the next 2 years, reaching to 130 million. And Indians in cities are spending about 39,000 per capita in 2012 online. Indian teens spend their 86% of the online time on FB or 54% on Twitter, that is to connect. Here is a survey to authorize our findings, and we can see that the social networking is the leading category in India with over 25% of the total time spent online. And the rest time, 10% of the time, people search for entertainment, and 1.8% is the games and email and web portals. So basically, the social networking we can say takes about the 50% of a person's online time. The customers, any person, male or female, with basic social need to connect is our customer. Narrowing it down according to age, we can limit it to 18 to 40 years, but there's no age limit when a person would need to connect. Basically, he or she should be a city dweller and an avid social media user and also willing to spend on his or her social needs. Now, the competition and challenges we'll be facing are tapping customers from virtual social networking giants. We making people realize that meeting offline can actually be more fun and better than meeting online. Providing varied features from the site like meetups.com and Grub with us, and also offering competitive deals, better deals than the Snapdeal and Groupon.com websites. Now, for establishing a product market fit, we went to interact with our potential customers both within our college and outside our college. We asked the people to rate the categories according to which they would like to meet new people. And the top category we found was group dating. And the other majorly popular categories were sports and games, food and drinks, and the gadgets and technology was also a very good category. We have also linked our website to Facebook so that we can get the social graph of a user and we can update it continuously so as to improve the user experience, get his likes and activities, and give back the events accordingly. According to our feedback from our friends in the college and outside the college, we are working to design a better and simple plus elegant web interface. As far as the traction goes, we went to Nalsar and other colleges nearby BITS Pilani, Hyderabad, and interacted with people there. We started building a database of potential customers, taking their email IDs and contact numbers so as we can contact them when we launch. The restaurants, etc., are ready to strike a deal as soon as we get some customers and implement the idea. At least one hangout at their place. We are ready with the promotional plans too once the user interface is built, which will take quite some time, but we are working on it. The business plan, as far as the business plan goes, how will we connect to our customers? We plan to connect both online and offline. The web portal is an obvious way. We'll also ask them the feedback through our web portal and even regularly ask them about their likes and dislikes and through mail. Also, the Facebook page and other social networking sites will be used. In offline, we'll be promoting our idea in various colleges and ask our partner restaurants and bars to promote our idea. Also, the advertisement is an obvious choice. How will we generate revenue? We'll get the discount deals from various restaurants and bars, etc., and put it up on our website for the customer to choose. He or she will pay us online and offline, and we'll keep on getting better deals and take a percentage of the cut. The future plans include for the next 1 or 2 months, we'll be working rigorously on implementing the most elegant and easy user interface and materializing our deals with the restaurants. Then the marketing phase will begin and we'll improve using feedback, get better deals. And in 4 to 6 months, we'll still continuously keep improving, try to scale up, and add more functionalities and events. So, this is the basic idea of our team, and thank you.